Right, okay, so job I hate really doing, hated it more than anything else in the whole world, was welding the holes up. 3 down, I just finished the last one. So that's it, done. So all the top, all the bottom holes are done. Those holes are upside down, and I managed to do one hole there. No more on there yet, but that's the 4 doors welded. Done. All they got to do is prep for primer, and I've got to sort out this. And I don't know. I'm tempted. I'm just going to grind it back, treat it, lead it. That's all I can do. Louvers, going to shorten them. Going to cut them back across here. Going to make them shorter because of the hinge panel. And so I don't want to get that one too minutes. I don't want it the long louvre. I don't want to put that because I don't want to match the louvers because the water will drip all over the strip here with whatever water's going to piss in there. So for the minute I'll just sort of go I'll just try to space them equally. So that goes onto the exhaust side, this comes onto the inlet manifold side, and we miss the plugs, miss the distributor, and hopefully we're going to miss the air cleaners. That's the plan. Nothing else has changed other than the fact that I finished the doors. I just wanted to say I did it, they're done. And as long as I turn the gas off, got to turn the gas off. It was like, can't leave the gas on. But yeah. So what's next on the agenda? That. Yeah. But it's Friday. And because it's Friday, there's no one here. I'm on my own. Can't go and get alcohol, beer, and nothing. So I'm a bit feeding it up. But anyway. I did say I wasn't going to go mad, didn't I? Do you remember that? Do you remember me saying there was going to be no big restoration or something? And then what happened? I started customizing. Started customizing. Anyway, we're not going away. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now. And as you know, things happen really fast around here. So things sort of get, I don't know, anyway, things get done and it sort of gets motivated when I do. And talk to you soon, guys. Bye.